So let's talk about Punjab, Kings 11 Punjab. What do you think about their auction?
Not Kings 11 Punjab, it's Punjab
Right.
Kings now.
Oh yeah, new name,
New name, new jersey.
new fortunes will it be? What do you think about their auction this year?
It was quite good. They got the number one T20 batsman, David Malan. in the
But
world right now.
where will they fit them? They have their two set openers, KL, Mayank, plus Gale is raring to open. Where will they fit Malan? That is the
Malan
question.
bats at number 3 from England. So it won't be much of an issue. But still, they can. Each IPL team can only play
Play
4
4
overseas.
Yeah.
So,
That will be.
So
an
they have got the
example.
classical problem of many.
Yes.
so actually, compulsory they will play Nicholas Pooran, Chris Gale. Those
So
two
Gabe
are.
Pooran, you have got two fast bowlers. You have got two batsmen.
Batsman.
Now who next? Malan. Okay, let's keep him sideways for the time being.
Jai Richardson has to-
Richardson, he has to play. Now
And
next,
Chris Jordan.
Jordan or
classic T20
Henrik.
bowler.
Jordan
No,
or
Jordan.
Henriquez.
Henriquez.
They
Even
have
he is
to-
classical. Henriquez. He
Henriquez
even
is
can bat.
all
He can
rounder.
field. Jordan is, by the way, a very good fielder.
Yeah.
No, Jordan is bowler.
He's classical bowler. He's classical T20. He's
Bowls
made for
well in
T20.
2020.
He's made for
Exactly.
T20.
It will be an interesting team, Punjab Kings, how they line up themselves. It looks as a pretty balanced.
So let's focus on our batting lineup. The first five. The first is KL Rahul.
KL Rahul.
Second is
Mayank.
Mayank. Okay,
Of
done.
course.
Third is Gale.
That will be the
Right.
thing, Gale or Malan.
Gale or Malan or Pooran or Malan.
No, I think Gale will bat at 3.
Mhm.
Then we will have Nicholas Pooran.
Yes. of course.
For the first five matches, Gale and Pooran both will play.
Yes.
And if they both click, fine. If one of them does not click, Malan will come in his place for the rest of the series. That's what
Yeah,
probably
left-handed
Yeah.
batsman replaces.
Yeah.
another left-handed batsman. That's good.
Then what after this four explosive batsmen? There comes a slight issue in the depth.
Middle order.
Yes, middle depth we can say, not middle but middle
Deepak
depth.
Hooda is kind of.
He clicked a few matches last time,
Yeah,
one or two.
he's a good batsman.
He isn't that consistent though.
Yeah.
He isn't consistent, but consistency is not required at
Yeah.
the bottom.
They have got that new guy, Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan, they might play.
British Industry was very happy to get him.
Yes.
She in fact mentioned
Kolkata.
his son, Shah Rukh Khan's
Yeah.
son, that we got Shah Rukh.
So he had a pretty good Vijay Hazare.
Vijay Hazare
season.
trophy, yeah.
So
Okay.
they can try out him.
He was playing with Kerala, right? Shah Rukh Khan.
I guess. Yeah.
It was Mohammad Azharuddin
Yeah.
for RCB who was playing
Yeah.
for Kerala. Then which team is he?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Let me click.
But he had a wonderful series, Vijay Hazare series.
Mandeep Singh, they also have
Mandeep Singh is there. Mandeep Singh.
He
the
played
opener.
pretty well last season.
Ah.
His dad had expired and he hit a 50 or something.
Yes.
So it was a pretty good season last season, Mandeep Singh. So that is kind of a problem for them. Middle depth order.
They have got this new guy, Fabian Allen. Is he spinner or a batsman?
He's a pacer,
He's
West Indian.
all-rounder.
Okay.
All-rounder West Indian.
So is he explosive
He's
to
not
get?
pacer, spinner. Left arm off spin.
But I think they are out of options
Out
for
of
overseas.
options. Overseas.
They are out of options for overseas. Because Jai Richardson has to
He
play.
has to play because they have bought in for many dollars.
Yeah, and
So-
Riley Meredith. He's costlier than Jai Richardson. Uncapped.
He's
as of now.
uncapped. He even hasn't played a single match for Australian cricket
had
team.
a very good season.
Big bash.
Big bash. He came in the
So-
top 3 wicket takers, I guess.
Okay, let's talk about bowling now.
But even if he had come in top 3, but that is Australia, Gappa,
Indian
SCG,
subcontinent pitches
MCG.
are completely
this
different.
This is India.
So if you come to the bowling, what do you think, Sriram?
Do they have any spinner? Because this is India, not Australia.
Spinner,
They have
yes,
got Ravi
spinner,
Bishnoi.
yeah, they have
that
got
is
Ravi
the
Who is not-
huge
Ravi
setback
Bishnoi,
for
Ravi Bishnoi is not the spinner. He is a spinner.
Yeah, he was very successful last season.
He's a good spinner, yeah.
But again, he is a foreign player.
No, Ravi Bishnoi is an Indian player.
Oh,
Ravi Bishnoi is an Indian spinner. So
Yes.
they don't have experience in spin department.
yeah.
That might hurt them.
Fabian Allen is also a spinner,
But again, he is
he's an all-rounder.
Yeah.
So you have got 3 foreign players, 2 batsmen and 1 Richardson. Who is the other guy then? Meredith or Moises Henriquez?
I think they will choose Moises Henriquez for the start because they need the
They
depth.
don't have
in
the
that.
depth. They don't
Yeah.
have the lower middle orders.
So
on that
what are
squad
the
of
4
players.
overseas players? Gail
Gail
Puran,
Puran,
Henriquez,
Henriquez,
and
Richardson.
Richardson,
Richardson or Meredith.
Jordan.
Oh, you have got Jordan.
Jordan, yeah.
Chris Jordan. Problem with many. They have got many players.
Yeah. So if the
So I
playing
think
11
Chris
line-
Jordan will play, I think, ahead of.
he has to.
He ahead of most of the fast bowlers.
He has
Even
to.
he
Because he is
was
a T20
even he was
specialist.
above 140, right? Chris Jordan.
Sometimes.
And
yeah,
he's a
he
good
has
good fielder.
a
too.
lot of
Yeah.
variations.
He's a good fielder too.
Lot of
Yeah, had an
variations.
amazing catch 2020.
Right.
Getting out Surya Kumar.
Surya Kumar Yadav.
Yes. So their playing 11 looks like KL, Mayank, and then comes Gale, and then Nicholas Puran, of course, and then Mandeep Singh,
Singh,
Deepak
Deepak
Hooda.
Hooda.
And if they play Henriquez, that is the option. But if they don't, then comes the tail, that is Jordan and Ravi
Jai
That
Bishnoi.
probably will not whack a lot.
Ravi Bishnoi, and then Arshdeep Singh. He was good.
Prabh Simran Singh was also good
Yes.
last year.
They can do, and then of course there's Mohammad Shami.
There is Shami.
Yes, Mohammad Shami.
Mohammad
Oh, we forgot him.
Yeah.
Mohammad
forgot him.
Shami will lead the pace.
He will lead the
He
pace.
will lead the pace. He was phenomenal last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That super over.
Super over, yes. Got he-
Followed by Bumrah. Followed Bumrah super over followed by Shami.
Yes. So looks like a basic team. Not that much of a big team, but they might be that dark horse.
Wasim
Dark
Jafar
horse.
had said that KL Rahul will play aggressively.
Yes.
Because in middle order they
is
do
nobody.
have good players, consistent players, and also firepower. So,
But their firepower limits over there. If you see, it's Mayank, KL, and then there's
even Sarfaraz Khan is good.
Gale. Yeah, we can also add Sarfaraz Khan in the middle.
Do you think they may experiment by putting KL Rahul in the middle order?
No, I don't think
Because
so.
India had done it and it clicked. It clicked for them.
No,
Yeah.
in T20s he will open. In ODIs,
T20s he has to open. That's what they did with him. They didn't put him
Last
in
time.
in T20.
But they don't have right now any middle order guy. That's why.
The middle order sounds to
middle
be
order
very
relies
weak over
on
here.
bulk of the middle order relies on Nicholas Puran.
Yes, he clicks, they click, or
If he doesn't, it's done.
there is no. Yeah, that's the thing. And again, no spin at all.
Mm.
Only one spinner they have to rely on. There is no alag spinner who has. They have ki come on the pitch is spinning, you get us wickets. Like RCB have Chahal and Washington. There's no Piyush Chawla.
There is also another guy in RCB, Adam Zampa.
Yeah, there is no Piyush Chawla. There is no proper spinner for them. So it's gonna be very challenging.
No, Ravi Bishnoi, the captain goes to him when they need a wicket. So
Yeah.
he's a man with golden arm, I think.
If there is a spinning pitch at all, Chennai or
But
Ahmedabad,
they don't have other spinner except Ravi Bishnoi.
the Deepak Hooda.
They play Ahmedabad only in the final, na?
Yeah.
So assuming they go to final,
Yeah.
that's when they will play him.
Murugan Ashwin they have.
Murugan
Murugan
Ashwin.
Do they have him?
Right.
Yeah, they have Murugan Ashwin.
Where is he?
Yeah, there is Murugan Ashwin.
Murugan Ashwin.
So and Deepak Hooda also does a
So
part.
how was his performance, Murugan Ashwin's last?
He did well last season. He clicked well
His
last season.
economy?
Economy was good. Under
Below
7.
That's
Under
even
seven.
better then. That's even
Yeah.
better.
They might go for him. So the final playing 11, KL, Rahul, Mayank, and then Gale, Puran, and then
US boss.
you can go for Shah Rukh Khan maybe, spending 6 crores on Shah Rukh Khan.
They spent 6 crores.
Yes, Shah Rukh Khan, and then Mandeep Singh, Deepak Hooda, and then Jai Richardson, Bishnoi, Murugan Ashwin, Ashdeep, and Shami. So the 4 will be Gale, Puran,
Jai
Richardson, and Jordan. So we didn't count Jordan in. Jordan is gonna be an integral part. They have good death bowlers as of now. Jai Richardson did well for Australia as well as Big Bash.
He's not a proper death bowler or not a.
Richardson, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Jai
why
Richardson.
he fits here better.
Yeah.
Henrique, he can bat as well as ball, so he will be there definitely. The choice will be between Richardson and Chris Jordan. They might prefer him
Chris Jordan.
initially because of his quite good performance in the last series for England.
Fresh as of now.
He's fresh. His legs are fresh.
Good. Where do you think they will finish? Will they qualify?
Qualifications, I'll say they'll be either 5 or 6.
Shriram.
No, I don't think so.
It's not a team to qualify.
They'll be below
as of
6.
No, not below 6.
5, 6.
5 or 6.
now. Okay.